All right, so I was gonna make this. I wasn't going to make this as a video today, but I feel like I should, because it is me being productive, me being organized, especially organized, because I might get flamed off for this, but it is what it is, right? First of all, I gotta take care of that mess over there, man. All right. After I take care of that, I gotta take care of my setup because everything just looks all discombobulated, man. This might be a tough task because I do have to pretty much line up the cables in an organized way. There's just too much wires and cables down here. You know how cable management goes, right? Like my desk is really messy, and I know I'm gonna get it flamed off of this online. So, like I said, I was gonna record this at all. I was gonna just do it behind the scenes and just do it myself. But it's got to be done, right? Here is the reveal of how unorganized my desk is. It's not like this every day. It's just that I've been pretty much busy throughout the day. So yeah, so let's just turn the camera and watch the comments flame me off of this. Yeah. All right, so should I just do a breakdown of what you guys are looking at right now? Let me turn on the softbox. Oh, that's a little bit better, I guess. But let's break this down. Laptop, 2 lacy hard drives, USB hub, game capture card, cables. That is an old PS4. I have to play it because I'm gonna sell it. Definitely. It's just that I'm trying to finish out Manhunt. And once I'm done with that, that is going bye-bye. I got a mic over there that's not plugged in. Yeah, it's looking bad, bro. It's looking really bad. But we're not even done yet. Old Sony PlayStation TV, banged up. I got an Xbox remote with no Xbox. Turtle Beach, headphones, wired mouse and keyboard. I got a Rode wireless go-to. God awful PlayStation DualShock 4 PlayStation controller. That joint has mad latency on it. The thing's buried over there. Another headphones. These 2 computer monitors. Canon 90D right there. Come on, bring it on. Bring it. I know you guys are gonna just flame me in the comments, man. I wanna see what y'all got. I wanna see. I've seen worse setups, man. So my setup is not that bad. It's not, but I'm gonna definitely fix it right now. Definitely. And I'm gonna show you guys the end result. All right, let me get cracking on this. I'm losing daylight really fast because it's daylight saving time, and it's just now hitting 2 o'clock. Oh, that's another thing. I gotta cut my hair, man. That's another thing. I gotta cut my hair. Yeah, I gotta cut this shit, man. I cut my own hair. I haven't been to a barber in like years, bro. That saves me a lot more money. Start cutting your own hair, man. I'm not blaming the barbershops. I know prices is going up, so they're gonna have to raise up their prices. But yeah. Nah, they too damn expensive, so I can't do that, man. I really can't do that. But yeah, let me get cracking down on this desk. That's taken care of a lot better than before. All that trash is going, and now it's time. Yeah, every time I look at this, I'm like, damn, this is a lot of work, bro. Alright, so this is what I got right here. Yes, it's claustrophobic right now. The thing just like mad closed in, and battery's about to bear. Why she screaming the quote, Night Living Dead 3? But yeah, my battery's about to die, so this is getting charged. I probably might have everything set.